Oh, no, we must not entertain this. No, my titi. Zvimwe zvinokura yaiwa my titi ko zvaita sei? Nima producer. Kwaita sei Godfrey? Ari kungoda mari yake. Why? No, my titi mundotori bully. I've noticed one thing. You are a bully, Felistas. You call me a bully. Inini I'm a realist. Inini ndinongopa gua. And people who attack me, they attack me anyway. But I give people gua. But you bully people. Really, you do. Calling someone rombe. Calling someone drunkard. Mind you, for those people who don't know Goldfinger, you remember the song I have been dancing lately, Yambeu Inon's Manera. It was produced by Goldfinger. He's gold. He's very talented. Actually, I'll speak with my manager, Munya, because he's my executive producer, so that we can do something with Goldfinger. Mighty Two Sada. Tukumbirawo my titi. Ugarisano NEVAMWE zvakanaka. Chiko my titi. Vanhu hamusikuona kuti pamwe mental health. Felistas, don't you need to check in a psych ward? You went through a lot. Wakagara mujeri, ukabhurutsa makeke, mukaita fake dzimba, ukanyepedzera kuchema pakafa baba wako. Don't you know kuti uri benzi kind of?